Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy M56. Alright, so let's begin. To reboot this device, all we need to do is to launch the power menu, and from there we can perform a simple reboot. And this option is recommended when we have access to the phone and when phone is responsive. So, to launch the power menu, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for around, I don't know, 2 seconds, something like that, or maybe 1.5. Okay, just like that. And now the power menu launched, as you can see. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart button. Now tap once more. As you can see, now the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot is good for your device, because during that process you simply delete some of the background processes that are still running, and also this process frees up some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.